everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today I'm in a very special place called ZMS Esthetician School, but it's way beyond that. We're gonna have an owner tell us all the technology and machine they have in here. They are absolutely amazing. And then we Yibu Beauty will be teaching class today here, so you get to hear what's going on. Let's get started this video. Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. So this is Miss Judy. Tell me.
Hi, how are you? I'm from ZMS Academy. We're advanced skincare here. These are some of my students. One is a licensed esthetician from us. She just came back to say hi. And Christina is future any minute, any second. She's going to get licensed.
Star.
We're going to walk into my lab right now. Okay, so this is our lab. So we have a very big advanced lab. And over here we have 4 stations. I'm very heavy on machines. I'm a sucker and I'm a big machine enthusiast. So we have a cryo machine, which is below zero, which tightens your skin.
I've done that before.
Yeah, it's a very nice machine. It tightens and shrinks pores and things like that. It goes below zero. I just recently upgraded my steamers. Very nice steamer. It's called a Catella. It only takes regular water, which is a lot nicer than having to carry distilled water around. And you can put a cylinder inside, and you can also put essential oils in, and then the steam is quite large. I really like this one because the arm goes here and it goes there. It's like a periscope. Yeah. And then I invested last year in these really nice overhead lights.
Wow.
And they kind of like are much better, where you can put the you can put your cell phone here and you can record your treatment. And then of course in our lab we have the hydraulic beds that swing around. We also have a lot of things that we do with hair restoration, and we use a lot of serum for hair restoration, and then we use the red light machines. We
red light's good.
Yeah, the red light machine. The Genio machine for very heavy exfoliation. We have a lot of ultrasound. We have a lot of hydrofacial equipment. This is our hair restoration equipment over here, where at the end of the microcurrents and the scalp and the high frequency.
I have a bald spot. I use a little thing on my head every night.
We also do micropigmentation on the scalp. And then we have different product lines, and now we're going to have your product line.
Yes, Yibu. Oh, Yibu can sit right there. I see it.
It can sit right over there. And then on the other side, we're very heavy on. We just got a pure oxygen machine in that we infuse the serums through the pure oxygen, and it's 100% oxygen. You need a prescription from the doctor to use it topically, and then we spray it on with a sprayer, and it really is nice. It's good for scars, it's good for hair restoration, it's good for healing and all kinds of other things. And then on this side we do a lot of body sculpting, sugaring, waxing, threading. We have this machine is really nice. This is a lymphatic drainage machine for the face or for the body, and it's without oil, it's without anything, but of course, you know, the massage and the pressure and dumping into the lymphatic drainage, it goes like this. It's just beads.
Oh wow.
And it's called an endoscope. So we do for the body, and and this is not an electrical current machine, and this is not any oils, and it's no vacuuming. But when we are inflamed and we have too much inflammation, then we retain water, we don't have a good nice waste, all that stuff. This is an EMS machine for muscle stimulation.
I feel I need to live here now. I love this place. Oh my gosh.
And then we have at least 20 different types of the jelly masks, and those are so popular now. We add all kinds of things in there. And then we have a lot of clay masks. And then we have, of course, everything is epidermis.
Yes.
Thanks, Steve, for coming so much.
No,
I really appreciate it. We look forward to putting your product line in. Great.
She's amazing.
Bye-bye. So good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in today. So today we have a very nice new product line that we're introducing to the school. Lately we've been putting our product lines into our lab. Next week when we come back after the spike of the Omicron virus is coming, we'll be having our lab open again. So our new maintenance cleaning lady is disinfecting everything, getting it ready. And as you can see, I'm really nice and neat back here for a change. So she's been really good. So I'd like to introduce Steve, and Steve is the owner and the creator of the company, and the company's name is, how do you pronounce that?
Yibu Beauty.
Yibu Beauty.
Yes.
Okay, even though it looks like Yibu, it's Yibu, like an E.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so he's gonna take over now, and he's gonna tell us about all of the different products, and we are gonna purchase some products for us to try in the school, and he's gonna give you his Instagram handle. He's filming us for YouTube right now, and his product line is something very nice and something very special. But I would like to thank another person for bringing him to our attention, and you are all welcome to do this. And we're more of an advanced program, and we just don't put and do one little thing and be solitary. So Christina, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody, good morning.
Okay, she's on the other side, she's helping with the Zoom. She went to, where did you go?
A women's expo.
She went to a women's expo in California?
Yes.
Okay, in Los Angeles somewhere.
At the
And
convention
she
center.
actually won something, I guess, in a raffle from this company. And sometimes when you win something and you don't pay money for it, you don't really value it very much. You go, yeah, I know I won that, but I don't know what it is. But she actually tried the product and was impressed. And she brought it to our attention, and here's Steve today. So
Thank
take
you,
it
Ms.
over.
Judy.
So I think you should sit here so
Yes,
that
I'll
you
sit
can-
here.
Great.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? So I'm so honored to be here today with all of you guys. And before I start, this is kind of my format. I want to take a few minutes, introduce myself to you, so you know who I am, what I do, what's my background experience. Then we're going to go into some product informations. And if you have any questions, just feel free to jump in, and then I will stop and I will answer you the questions the best I can. I'm not as good as Miss Judy, obviously, but I'll do my best. So quickly, I'm Steve Jen, the founder for Yibu Beauty. Yibu is Chinese word meaning one step, and I believe that in our life, doesn't matter what you do, who you are, where you are right now, you always need to make that first move, either physically, emotionally, or mentally. Without making that first move, you won't be successful, unfortunately. And sometimes you're not only moving forward, there are times you need to pause and making it backward. So reflect what you have done and analyze, and you can continue to grow you as a person or business. So that's why the name is called Yibu Beauty. I've been in the cosmetics industry for 27 years. Yes, I started when I was 20 years old, so I'm 48 this year now. So I should hear people say, wow, you're so young. So I'm 48 years old. Skin is very, very unique. Everyone has different skin concerns. So for me to create a first product, my goal is to create something that will help your skin naturally exfoliating. As you know, that skin naturally builds up different dead skin layer. Without remove the skin naturally or using technology to help, you have a lot of barrier on top. Once you have a barrier on the surface of the skin, none of your skincare will easy to absorb to see result. That's why I heard from Miss Judy that you guys have advanced technology right here, help the client to remove the skin faster, right? However, most of the client cannot do that every single day. They have to come to see you on a regular basis. But what do you do when they are not here? So that's what Yibu Beauty come in here. We create a power dual ability to help gently exfoliate the skin. So that's what these two products do right here. Are you guys ever used any type of serum before? So what does the serum usually feels like? Typically, serum feel kind of tackiness, a little bit oily, or you feel slippery, right? And because of my experience in cosmetics, I understand that majority of the people does not want to feel tackiness, stickiness, oiliness on the skin, most of the people. So we create our first multitasking serum. It feels and looks like a water, and that is very, very unique. You feel like you're putting a toner on the skin, but you are not. So can you use your hand for demo? Skin tones, beautiful skin. You can see some dryness right here, right? That's very normal. So when you put this on, you can see, it looks like water. So you can just pat this on a clean skin, and this will absorb into skin very, very quickly. And once it absorbs the skin, it generally exfoliates the surface of the dead skin. So can you show them this hand side by side open? Not just applying like a regular treatment, right? But now we're going to do a little bit more advanced. We're going to put this on a cotton pad, about 4-5 palm. And this time we are going to put it this. I'm going to use this as a toner. So what is this product that has ability to exfoliate the skin? We are putting lactic acid in there. Are you guys familiar with lactic acid? Yeah? Okay. Lactic acid is a very good ingredient that helps gently exfoliate the skin. However, some lactic acid may cause sensitivity to the skin. So we want to make sure that the client don't feel sensitivity experience at home. So we're adding different ingredients such as carrot root extra, that's full of vitamin E and vitamin A, nourishing the skin, aloe vera to soothe the skin, rice extra, protect environmental damage, and we add a little bit hyaluronic acid in there, so it's moisturizing binding. So this way, when a client uses this, not only has ability to exfoliate the skin, but without making skin feel sensitivity. So I'm using to get this.
Oh my God, I just washed my hands.
See how much we can.
Yes, it does.
So you can even see if you use the cotton pad, you actually polish up more of a dead skin. This is just regular put on there. So see, that's pretty cool, huh? So let me show you one more time. This is the serum, multitasking serum, contain lactic acid. It feels like a water. You just put this on a clean skin like this, avoid the eye area. Glass. And also one thing for me is I really don't like a product has a really big open jar and put your whole finger in there. Even though technology is so good, they were able to stabilize the product ingredient, but I still feel like there's too big of an opening. The air goes in there, stuffing goes there. I'd rather just put everything in the pump. So that's why we create this. Apply what?
No. Can you hear her question?
Sunblock?
After the moisturizer.
Yeah. After the moisturizer. After the
And
moisturizer.
the
Yes.
facial will be after the moisturizer.
No, of course. Thank you so much for asking. What's her name?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's okay. I just want to say hi to you. Thank you so much for asking. 10-10 moisturizer, it really is meaning that you put a lot of skincare ingredient in there. You're putting very small amount of pigment. So it's very different than foundation. Foundation, they're putting a lot of pigment, which is color, and they put the filler, other skincare ingredient in there to create a soft and moisturizing. You see this? You're like, oh no, that's not gonna match Christina. Well, I don't know. We'll see. So when you first see this, the color is like, wow, that's really bright, right? But you can see the skin. That means we put a lot of treatment into the skin rather than pigments. And it takes about a few seconds to blend into the skin. And you don't really see a streak. That's because the skincare part of our products in there. 90% is a skincare, less than 4% is a pigment. So it looks nice. And our 10-10 moisture.
Brenda is saying, I need this. How much?
How much?
We're gonna get some too, Brenda.
What do you think about today's video? Amazing, right? Thank you so much, Miss Judy. Give me all this great information. And I can't wait to be back to do some amazing facial so I can reverse age and look even better. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.